So you have a Fitbit Charge 5 and you have an issue where the screen is unresponsive, or maybe it's frozen, or maybe it's stuck, you can't swipe, and you're trying to like restart. You can't even swipe all the way up to go to settings and to go ahead and restart from here. Okay, so what you can do is this now. You can force the restart. Now if you look at your charging cable where the USB-A is here, you have this little button right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug this in. And let's pretend that this Charge 5 is unresponsive, okay? So let's go ahead and connect it first. Okay, make sure it's connected. You feel it vibrate. Now what you want to do with that little button that's on the USB connector here, you want to press it 3 times. You want to press it, wait 1 second, press 1 sec, press it, and then press it again, okay? Wait 1 second. So it's going to be like this, like 1, 2, 3. So we'll do it together, okay? And it's going to force it to restart. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, and I felt it vibrate. 3. Now just wait patiently. Just wait. Oh, I just felt it vibrate. Now we should see the Fitbit logo appear, and then give it 1 second and it'll boot back up. Okay, I just felt it vibrate. Okay, it's up now, and now hopefully it is in working order. Okay, pretty simple. Good luck.